Hello, Mr. Karen. Thank you for the opportunity to present our proposal. Our goal is to improve your current website by reorganizing content, improving visual consistency, and making navigation easier for potential clients. We are not changing your brand or services. Instead, we are enhancing how your existing content is structured and displayed so that it looks more professional, trustworthy, and aligned with the quality of your engineering work. Since your website is often the first impression clients have of your company, we want it to clearly reflect the reliability, expertise, and professionalism you bring to every project. Our proposal focuses on improving structure, clarity, and overall user experience while keeping costs reasonable and ensuring the website remains easy for you to manage and update in the future. Thank you.
As a business analyst for this project, my role has been to understand our clients' needs and translate them into clear requirements for the new redesign of the website. After meeting with Mr. Kareen and reviewing the current website, we learned that directly from him, he created the site himself. And while it functions at a basic level, it does not reach the full potential in terms of design structure or professionalism. Because of this, the current website doesn't communicate the value of the services offered by Mr. Kareen and his engineering team as a whole. From our conversations, several key goals were for the website were identified. The new site needs a more modern, polished design that builds credibility and better represents the company. It also needs to have a more clear organization of service information so potential clients can quickly understand what the business provides. Another priority is adding a simple, dedicated way for customers to request consultations that are emailed directly to the owner. To further strengthen the trust of the company, the new design will incorporate images that showcase the type of work Kareem can actually do and deliver. Using these goals, the team established the core functional requirements for this project, which include a new redesigned website with structured service pages, a streamlined meeting request form, and visual representation and examples of the completed work. In addition, the website must be mobile responsive, easy to navigate, and simple for Mr. Kareem to update in the future as the business grows. By establishing these requirements early, we created a solid foundation for design, architecture, and development of the work that follows. This ensures the new redesigned website not only replaces the old one, but truly supports the business growth and presents Kareem's engineering team in the professional way that it deserves to be.
Hi, my name is Abid and I'll be explaining how we plan to technically implement the improved Karen's engineering website. After reviewing the current services page and overall site structure, we determined that the main issue is not the content itself, but how it's organized and presented. The information is valuable, but it lacks visual hierarchy, consistent formatting, and mobile optimization. Our goal is to fix that through a structured technical approach. We will rebuild the website using WordPress, powered by PHP and MySQL, and hosted on a reliable platform such as Bluehost. WordPress is ideal because it's cost effective, scalable, and easy to manage without advanced technical knowledge. From a technical standpoint, the new site will include responsive design to ensure it works smoothly on mobile devices, SEO optimization to improve search visibility, and analytics integration to track visitor behavior. We will also implement a secure contact form with spam protection and HTTPS encryption to protect client information. This setup allows the website to grow with the business. In the future, features like client portals or online quote systems can easily be added without rebuilding the entire site. Our focus is long term stability, performance, and scalability. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jordi Caballero. I'll be serving as the web designer for this project. My role focuses on the visual aesthetics of the website, which would include the color scheme, the layout structure, images, multimedia elements, and custom style sheets that bring the brand to life online. So, my goal is to create a clean, modern, and visually engaging design that builds trust with users from the moment they land on the website. I'll carefully select the theme of the colors that align with our client's brand and identity, and use the high quality optimized images to enhance both appearances and performances. I also will work closely with the web developer to ensure that the design integrates smoothly with functionality. Using tools like Photoshop, I'll create and refine visual assets that elevate the user experience while keeping the website professional, responsive, and easy to navigate for both people that are using it as well as people from the back end. So ultimately, I'm here to help make the website stand out and make a strong digital impression. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ada, and I worked on the technical side of the project and made sure we're using the right system for the website. We decided to use WordPress because it's affordable, reliable, and easy for the client to use after we finish the project. Since the business is still growing, it's important that the client can update photos, projects, or information without needing a developer every time WordPress makes new updates. From the technical side, the website will be hosted securely and will use SSL so that any information submitted through the contact form is protected. That was important to us because even though we will not collect sensitive information, we still want it to be secure and professional. I also focus on testing. Before the site goes live, we will check every page, link, and feature to make sure everything works correctly. We'll test on phones and computers, make sure pages load quickly, and confirm that the contact form works properly. Overall, my goal is to make sure the website is not just better looking, but also secure, functional, and easy for the client to manage long term. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Brian Lee. I'll be talking about the information roadmap. Our project will follow 5 main phases. These 5 main phases are very important to the group because it helps us stay organized and create a high quality website. First is planning and confirming the requirements. This is important because this makes sure we understood the project goals. Next is website evaluation. This is where we look at examples and existing content to see what works best. Then comes the design and development. This is where we create pages, build a layout, and edit the features. After that is testing and validation. This would probably be the longest one. This is where we would check if everything works correctly, and if any problem comes up, we'll fix it. Finally, we have the final delivery. This is where we have the finished website fully completed and is prepared for submission. Each of these 5 phases, has clear responsibilities for team members, so everybody knows what they do and they know their roles. We also use a Gantt chart to track deadlines to keep project on schedule. Overall, this schedule approach helps us build quality from the start instead of fixing issues at the end. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mikhail. My position on this project is quality assurance. When we look at the success of any project, one thing becomes clear, is that effective risk management isn't optional, it's essential. For our project, we identified several key risks early on so we could address them proactively rather than reactively. One of the biggest risks is scope creep, which can easily derail timelines and overwhelm resources if not controlled. To prevent this, we're establishing a clearly defined project scope from the start, along with a structured process for evaluating any new requests. We're also aware of time constraints, especially given the number of moving parts in this project. To stay on track, we'll follow well-defined milestones and checkpoints, ensuring that we maintain a steady progress and catch delays before they become critical. Another potential challenge involves plugin compatibility. Since plugins can introduce unexpected conflicts, we're taking a careful approach, selecting reputable tools, testing them thoroughly, and validating that they integrate smoothly with our system. And finally, we're addressing security vulnerabilities, which were always a concern in modern digital projects. We'll be implementing industry standard security practices to protect both the system and user data throughout the development. To reinforce all of this, we'll conduct both usability testing and user acceptance testing before launch. These steps ensure that the final product not only works as intended, but truly meets the needs of and expectations of our clients. By identifying these risks early and putting strong mitigation strategies in place, we're setting the foundation for a smooth and successful project delivery. Thank you.
In conclusion, this project is designed to provide Karen's Engineering with a modern, organized, and professional website that better represents the quality of your work. Our improvements focus on usability, visual consistency, and long-term scalability. We believe these enhancements will strengthen your online presence, build client trust, support future business growth, and improve how potential clients interact with your services online.